Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Confirm your CPU or motherboard includes an integrated GPU and check for BIOS update. This prevents compatibility surprises. Once you've backed up drivers and created a restore point, power down and unplug the PC. Make sure to ground yourself and remove the dedicated GPU. Next, reset any connectors and inspect display outputs on the I/O panel. Doing these first steps ensures the system can switch to integrated mode without driver conflicts or hardware shorts. Once the card is out, boot into BIOS or UEFI and change the primary display to the integrated GPU. Look for iGPU, primary display, or initiate graphics adapter. Then boot to safe mode and run the to remove dedicated GPU drivers completely, because leftover drivers cause conflicts. After that, install the chipset and integrated graphics drivers from the vendor. Make sure the monitor is plugged into the motherboard output. When Windows starts, you should see a Signal and Device Manager listing the iGPU. Now finalize settings. Set resolution and refresh rate to the panel's native values and adjust power plans for best performance or efficiency. Once done, reconfigure multi-monitor layouts and update Windows to pick up the new driver stack. If the system fails to display, try a CMOS reset to clear persistent BIOS settings, or temporarily reset the dedicated GPU to confirm hardware behavior. Remember, a CMOS reset and driver reinstall fix most switchover problems. Do them before escalating to component replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.